Good morning, America. We're just gonna bring you a new update for you guys this morning. Wakey, wakey, America. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, everyone out there. So we got two warehouses already. Almost got done, except this one. We haven't hang this iron yet because of this, So there is no way we can do this one. But those, they are ready 100%, 100% the other corner, but except this one right here. I got the windows, they already installed it, so I can weld it, I'm not gonna be responsible for 100K or 50K worth on glasses, you know what I mean? So I told the super that I cannot weld it until you guys cover. But yeah, I got you a new update, guys. Beautiful morning for everyone out there. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.